Right now, as you read this, your brain is clearing something that happened to you today, not by accident, on purpose. Most people assume forgetting is a flaw, a glitch in an otherwise powerful machine. But what if forgetting is the entire point? The human brain contains approximately 86 billion neurons, with more possible connections than atoms in the known universe. You are not forgetting because your brain is full. Your brain will never be full. So why does it clear memories? In 1885, a psychologist named Hermann Ebbinghaus discovered something called the forgetting curve. Within 1 hour of learning something new, you forget nearly 50% of it. Within a week, almost 90% is gone. Your brain is not a hard drive. It is an editor. Neuroscientist Sheena Josselyn at the Hospital for Sick Children in Toronto found that forgetting is an active process. Your brain does not passively lose memories. It deliberately removes them, using specific neurons called engram cells that compete with each other. Memory is not stored. It is won. Why would evolution build a brain that removes its own information? Because every memory requires energy to maintain. A brain that remembers everything would be slower, heavier, and overwhelmed. There is a rare condition called hyperthymesia, where people remember almost everything in perfect detail. Researchers report something unexpected. It is not a gift. It is a heavy weight to carry. Many describe it as tiring and impossible to escape. Your brain clears your memories to protect you. In 2014, researchers Paul Franklin and Blake Richards at the University of Toronto published a landmark study. They argued the goal of memory is not accurate recall, it is intelligent decision-making. You do not need to remember exactly what you ate 3 weeks ago. You need to remember whether it upset your stomach. Richards called this theory active forgetting. The idea that forgetting is a separate cognitive function, something your brain does as deliberately as breathing. And here is where it gets strange. Sleep is when most of the clearing happens. Every night your brain runs a maintenance cycle. It strengthens the memories that matter and gradually clears the ones that do not. You go to sleep with a cluttered brain, you wake up with an edited one. This is why poor sleep affects memory so fast. The clearing cycle never ran. The memories your brain chooses to clear are not random. Emotionally neutral moments disappear first. Painful and joyful moments survive longest. Your brain is not just editing information, it is editing your identity. What you remember is who you are, but what your brain chose to clear quietly while you slept, that shaped you just as much. You are not just the sum of your memories. You are also the sum of everything your brain decided you did not need to carry anymore.
वीडियोस बनाने हैं फिल्मोरा है ना।